Sir, I'm here.
Okay, listen. My name is not Sir. Okay. My name is Rahul, so call me Rahul, please. Sir, you can call your principal sir, you can call your teachers sir, you call me Rahul. Okay?
Sir, sir,
Maybe we can call him Rahul Anna.
Yeah, you can call me Rahul Anna. That's good.
Good afternoon,
Anna.
Rahul Anna. Myself Ryuma and I'm from Max department. My question is, do you have friends other than political friends? Among them, how many of your girls and they are from which fields?
I have plenty of friends. I have plenty of friends who are not political. I also have some friends who are political. And then there are a lot of people who see me as their political enemy, but I view them as my political friends. And I have quite a few interests. You know me as a politician, but I have quite a few interests. And I have friends who have similar interests. So I sort of discuss those interests with them and do a lot of those things with my friends. So yes, I do have friends. Do you? Huh? What?
Girlfriends.
We'll leave that for another day.
Next question, please.
Yeah.
sir, I'm Vikeshwari. Rahul Anna. Here.
Oh, there. Okay. I'll come back to you.
Happy afternoon, Anna.
Huh?
Happy afternoon. Myself, Sri Shweta. I'm from Max department. I'm very proud and I'm very happy to see you, sir. And my question is...
You said sir again.
Sorry, Anna. Sorry, Anna. A lot of women harassments and suppressing is seen all over. According to you, how can a woman fight with this?
No, sorry. What was the first part of your...
Harassments.
Harassment. I think, first of all, you as a woman should just stand up to it. And you should not step back. If someone harasses you, do not let them. And you have much more power than you think. You have large number of friends who can help you. You have the legal system that helps you. You have many different places you can go. So you must never step back. If somebody is harassing you, if somebody is not giving you what is your due, you have to face them and challenge them. That's the first step. I mean, what little I know of you, I don't think anybody has the guts to harass you. I think you're tough enough. I think you're tough enough that you can stand up to anybody. Right? You agree with me? And now when you agree with me about that you're tough enough to stand up to anyone? Yeah? And if anybody is harassing a friend of yours or another girl, then it is your responsibility to stand together with her and make sure they stop. And remember that I am also standing with you. And there are many men in this country who are standing with you and who will work with you, help you, and make sure that you're not harassed. Yeah? You might notice that I didn't say there are many men who will protect you. You notice that? And the reason I didn't say that is because you don't need anyone's protection. You can protect yourself.